This is my shower with its design flaw. At least I thought it was for cleaning until I discovered ENJO. So this is the ENJO glove, and you can see how I clean my shower now, starting at the top, which is the cleanest part of the shower, using circular motion. I'm using the moisture from the shower we had this morning with the glove. Rather than water separate, hold that open with my foot. The glove is double-sided, but I tend to just use one side, and then following that I'll use the other side, because I will do this every day because it's so easy now. Let's go to the bottom. Making sure I get into all the nooks and crannies, because of course there are quite a few. I want to have a really clean shower. Squeeze out the excess water, and now I'm going to get the ENJOfil. This is the most amazing thing. Basically, the trick is not to use energy with it, because you don't want to create any heat. Ooh. So I will just very gently wipe off the excess moisture, which also kind of pollutions at the same time. It needs to be nearly dry, not perfectly, because it will actually finish it itself. So it makes it so easy. I used to spend hours trying to get it perfectly dry, remove all the streaks. I don't have that issue anymore, because this doesn't give streaks. In fact, the hardest thing is actually seeing where all any extras you need to do, because it's so quick and so clean now. Let's see if I've missed a bit. Struggling to see it. As my husband says, my shower's disappearing. There we go. That's done.